Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 7.1 problem number 6. Let's see the question. 2 years ago, the mean age of 40 people was 11 years. Now, a person left the group and the mean age has changed to 12 years. Find the age of the person who left the group. So here we have to find the one person age, he left the group. Okay, so with the given information we have to find that. Let's see, let us write first what is given. 2 years ago, the mean age 40 people was 11 years. Okay, 2 years ago it was. Okay, now what is the present age of their 40 people? Yeah, the present mean age of 40 people is how much? 11 plus 2, 13 years, isn't it? If we add same number to the each observation, we should add the same number to the mean also. Okay, we know that thing, right? Now this is the present mean age of 40 people, right? Right, I'm erasing the screen. So that is nothing but, what is the formula for mean? Mean is equals to x bar is equals to sigma xi. Xi is nothing but sum of observations by n, that we can write sum of observations by number of observations, isn't it? That is x bar is equals to. Okay, so x bar given 13 years and number of observations, that is n equals to given 40 people, right? So I'm erasing the screen again, write down. So x bar given 13 years, okay, and n is given 40. So we have to find sigma xi. So x bar is equals to sigma xi by n. So 13 years is equals to sigma xi by 40. Okay, so 13 into 40 is equals to sigma xi, that is nothing but 13 4 52. So sigma xi is equals to 520 years. This is nothing but sum of all the people age, it is, isn't it? Ages is equals to 520 years. Okay, the 40 people ages, the 40 people age is sum of all the 40 people age is 550 years. Okay, right? Did you get this? Right. Next, I'm erasing the screen. If one person left from the group, what is that? Yeah, 40 minus 1, now 39 is the mean, as well as 39 members. Okay, sorry, 39 not mean, it is 39 members are remaining, right? So the mean age of 39 people, what is that? Same. What is the formula? x bar is equals to sigma xi by n. Okay, right, sigma xi is nothing but we have to find that only. So x bar value 39 is sorry, x bar value 12, okay, is equals to sigma xi. We have to find that, and n value 39. Okay, so how we got 12 here? Right, in the earlier of the problem we have written present the mean age of 40 people was, sorry, present age of 40 people is 13, isn't it? So 2 years ago given 11 years, so present it is 13. Now we have one people left here. Okay, one people left here, it means it becomes 12, right? So 12 is equal sigma xi by 39. I'm erasing the screen. So 12 is equals to sigma xi by 39. So sigma xi is equals to 12 into 39. Take the multiplication. 2 9s are 18, 1, 2 3s are 6, 7, and 39 as it is 8, 16, 1, 468. So sigma xi is equals to 468. This is nothing but the sum of all the ages of 39 people is 468 years. Did you get this? I hope you understood this. Right, now we got sum of 39 people ages is 468 years, and sum of 40 people ages is 520 years, isn't it? Right, see, sum of ages of 40 people is equals how much? 520 years, right? 520 years. Sum of 39 people ages is ages 468. So we need one person left here. So the age of the person who left from the group is equals to 520 minus 468, that is nothing but 52 years, right? Is it clear? Is it clear, Nana? Yes, I hope you understood. Yeah, what is the age of the person who left from the group? 52 years. So write down here the age of the person who left the group is equals to 52 years. Okay, right, I hope you understood this problem. Thank you.